Hi guys, your girl's coming to you from Vineland Premium Outlets. We're going to go into the Disney Character Warehouse store and we're going to see what kind of new merchandise they have and if there's any price change on anything. So it's Warehouse Wednesday, so that means coming to the warehouse. Let's go. Okay, Obi. I keep threatening to buy this for you. I think, oh my god, I do have a small up there, Obi. Look at this one. $8. I don't know. We'll think about it. All the same Doonies, nothing new. And they still have Christmas and Halloween. Not as much Halloween still, but more Christmas. We have some new ornaments. There's the Marvel for $12.99. The Soul is $7.99. And this one is the Sketchbook for $12.99. Alright, so now here we go. We have a couple of keychains. That's pretty much it. Diorama. Avatar. You just have the two different ones here. Alright, get Hawkeye, $7.99. And then you got the Dapper Dans. These ones are $6.99. You got patches that are overpriced, too expensive, and a keychain. Same backpacks, Tiana bags. Let me go over here. I think I see some new stuff over here. This camouflage and this moose shirt, which is cute. Alright, they got little jumpers still here. And some more dresses. $29. Still no price change on the dresses. And these are $14.99. I think that might have gone down. Food brings the world together. $12.99. It's a cute shirt. They do have the Spirit jerseys here for $19.99. They still have these jumpers sold separately. Some Pride shirts still here. This Hercules jacket's new, and so is the jacket next to it. $34.99 for this jacket. It's new. I have not seen this before. So it's cute though. And the Hercules is $25. We have a lot of these large shirts that just say Original Mickey on them. They're all large. There are a lot of these button-down shirts. Obi, down.
Relax, kid.
Corvette Racing. Yeah. A lot of the same shirts. Some new clothes down this way. Some Marvel. There's onesie. Must come from Canada, maybe? Yeah, I'm going to say it probably comes from Canada. And it's crowded in here today, but people just do not want to say, excuse me, and go around. These are new outfits right here for the little ones, $7.99. That's cute. Then you have a beach towel. This is a different type of beach towel for $12.99. You can make it pink or you can make it blue. Tiana collection is still hanging in back here. Nothing else new that I can see since last week over here. And we have the little dresses over here still. $24.99 is adorable. Alright boys, there is a cloak there and some other clothes. Nothing new. This Marvel one, I noticed it over in the men's too. This might be something new. So I don't remember if I've seen it before. We've got some toys. I think these are the same toys that were here last week. They still have the Crocs. They have the Vault Crocs, the red, white, and blue, the Star Wars, Christmas, and I think that's it. They still have the vase here for $12.99, which a lot of the food and wine stuff from 2022 still here. They've got the hat, the cutting board. Blue and white dishes are still here. A $14.99, no price change. $14.99 for the plates, $15.99 for the bowls. A new sweater, short sleeve sweater for $19.99. And Obi's getting all the attention again. He always does. Oh my goodness. More Star Wars. This rack looks like it's getting fuller, but I'm not seeing anything new in there. Well, maybe that. Not your average princess. Yep. Nope, nothing new. And then they have sweatpants. They have every different color. Some matching sets, some not matching. This is mini. This 50th sweatpants. Those are heavy. National Geographic jacket. It's pretty nice. $30. It's a nice weight jacket. They've got the Sea and Red skirt still here. Pants. They have some more moose here for women's, it looks like. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not really seeing anything. Lots of these tank tops, $12.99 still. Okay, that's cute. Mini ski and a Norway shirt, $18.99 and $8.99. Back down to the Marvel stuff. There's still pretty much the same stuff here. So, pretty much nothing's really changed here. Alright, so we left the outlet. Obi's here. He made a bunch of new friends. Just checking everything out, making sure we're okay, aren't you? Yeah, right. Who are we fooling? Alright, so there was a lot of items in there, but not necessarily new items. They've just kind of like restocked the items. The shirt that I purchased, which I'll put in right now. That one, there was a ton of them. There was 2 racks full of them almost. So it was, they definitely brought in more items, but they're the same items and not really a price change either. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it will get better soon. Just gotta hold off. We were hoping with spring break that they would sell out of a lot of stuff and have to bring in new items. That hasn't really happened yet, so we'll keep coming back every week to find out. So until then, guys, thank you for being here. And Obi and I and Donna, we love you all. Bye.